So good morning to all. This is Kamal Raj from the Department of Computer Applications. Today we are going to discuss about the Linux comparison, in which we are going to compare Linux with DOS. The contents are going to be, first we'll look at the disk operating system, then we'll discuss about the Linux OS, then we'll compare the Linux with DOS. So disk operating systems. So DOS stands for a disk operating system. So the DOS was popular in the year of 1980s to 1995. The first version, PC DOS 1.0, was released in the year August 1918. It was IBM release, and the people have released PC DOS 1.1, and in 1983 DOS 2.0 and 2.1, and finally Microsoft DOS also introduced. So MS-DOS is one of the popular version of disk operating systems. It is basically single users and a single process system. There is no securities given, and which consumes very less memory and power than compared to Unix, because it provides service to only single users. In contrast, when come to the Unix is the very powerful and which is a multi-user and multitasking operating system, which was originally developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories. So this is the operating system used for scientific, engineering and academics, and it is basically the Unix is installed in the server systems and workstations and also the mainframe computers. So this was the quick overview of DOS and Unix. Now we are going to have a comparison with DOS and Linux or Unix. As I said before, DOS is absolutely single task operating systems. Only single task can be done. In DOS, do not support any multitasking operations. When you look at the Linux or Unix, it is basically the operating system. It came to support multitasking process. So many tasks can be done at a single time. And the second difference is it is a mono users or monolithic users. Only single users can make use of the disk operating systems. But Unix is the operating system which supports multi-user, which means more than one users can make use of the server machine at the given time. DOS. The third main difference is it consumes very less power when compared to Unix, because it's a single operating system and it provides service to single users, and it do not have any protections or do not have any sharing options, so it consumes very less power. But Unix is basically server machines. It consumes high power when compared to DOS. And the fourth important difference is the DOS do not support any networking operations. So no native support for Internet Protocol or IP networks. So DOS is only a single users and do not support any networking concepts. So Linux or Unix, it came with built-in support for networking. So it supports a networking concepts. So DOS, there are different versions of the DOS was there. One is MS-DOS, which is very popular, and IBM DOS and DR-DOS. So Linux and Unix, when look at the Linux and Unix, there are many proprietaries as well as free and open source implementations available. The DOS, the next difference is DOS is not case sensitive. You can interact through the capital letters or small letters that do not have any difference. But Unix, it is highly case sensitive. Most of the Linux or Unix command are in small letters only. Okay. And seventh difference is it is used to embedded systems. Okay, its embedding concept was introduced in the DOS, but Unix is mainly used in server machines only. The difference is the DOS uses the backslash to separate the directory to another directories, but where in the case of Linux and Unix, it uses only forward slashes. And DOS has no virtual memory or protected memory because it providing service to single users, mono users and single tasking one. But Linux has got virtual memory concept and protected memory things, because Linux is basically server OS. So when you look at this comparison, first four difference are most important difference. Remaining things are the secondary part of the difference. So if you understand the first four concept, you can easily go with the remaining differences. So guys, today we have discussed about the difference between DOS and Linux. If there is any queries, you can ask with me. And that's all from my side. Have a good day. Thank you, students. Thank you.